Need to pass the NCJOSI police exam? You found the right video. Hello, I'm Sergeant George Godoy, and today we'll explore the National Criminal Justice Officer Selection Inventory Exam. The NCJOSI is a popular entry-level police written exam published by IO Solutions and used by departments nationwide, including Detroit, Columbus, Dayton, San Antonio, and Milwaukee. The exam is challenging because there are two different versions, and most agencies now use the more difficult NCJOSI-2. You must check with your specific agency to confirm which version you'll be taking. The older version, NCJOSI-1, has 45 multiple-choice questions covering 4 areas. First, problem-solving ability. Second, reading comprehension. Third, mathematics. Finally, writing ability. This version also includes a behavioral and attitudinal assessment with 42 statements. The newer version, NCJOSI-2, is more comprehensive with 80 multiple-choice questions covering 10 cognitive abilities. These include deductive reasoning, flexibility of closure, inductive reasoning, information ordering, problem sensitivity, selective attention, spatial orientation, reading comprehension, writing ability, and visualization. This version includes a longer behavioral assessment with 120 statements on a 5-point agreement scale. Don't let poor preparation end your law enforcement dreams. Get the top-rated NCJOSI Quick Prep course with over 1,000 5-star reviews. The course includes video tutorials for all test sections, hundreds of practice questions covering both versions, and lifetime access, plus bonus courses on polygraph, psych exam, and oral interviews. Click on the link to get started. There is also a link in the description and in the comments.